So today I am discussing the data science language. Many language can support this type of uh, predict- prediction analysis. Now, this is one type of language called R. What is R? R is a programming language and software environment statistical for statistical graphics representation and reporting. Okay. R was created by Ross Iska and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand, and is currently developed by our development board team. এখানে দেখা যাচ্ছে দুটো জিনিস আর ক্রিয়েটেড রস ইস্কা অ্যান্ড রবার্ট এই রস অ্যান্ড রবার্ট এর ফার্স্ট ওয়ার্ড দুটো নিয়েই এই আর এর কনসেপ্টটা এসছে মানে নামকরণ হয়েছে আর আর ইজ ফ্রিলি অ্যাভেলেবল আন্ডার দ্য জিএনইউ general public license and pre-compiled binary version are provided for the various operating systems like Linux, Windows, and Mac. This programming language was named R, finally, which I have discussed already. Finally, language was named R based on the first name of the two authors, Robert Gentleman and Ross. The partly a play on name of the Bell Labs language is. Before proceeding with R, some prerequisites must be followed. You should have a basic understanding of computer programming terminologies, a basic understanding of any programming language, will help you to understand the R programming concept and move fast on the learning track. Yeah. So I think you have all you have the minimum knowledge any programming language like C, C++, or Java. Now, features of R. What is the features? Each and every language has some features, and similarly, R language has some features like R is a well-developed, simple, and effective programming language which include conditionals, loops, user-defined recursive function, and input-output facility. R has an effective data handling and storage facility. R provides R provides a suite of operators for calculation on arrays, lists, vectors, and matrices. R provides a large, coherent, and integrated collection of tools for data analysis. R provides graphical facility for data analysis and display, either directly at the computer or printing at the paper. So, R is a world's most widely used statistics programming language. It is the number one choice of data scientists and supported by a vibrant and talented community of contributors. R is a taught in universities and deployed in mission critical business applications. This subject teach you R programming along with suitable example in simple and easy steps, some basic idea. Some basic idea is there are three types of data in R: numeric, character, and logical. R supports vector, matrix, list, and data frames. Yeah. Objects can be assigned values using an equal sign or the special character operator. R is highly vectorized. Almost all operations work equally well on scalars and arrays. All the elements of a matrix or vector must be of the same type. Same type এর হতে হবে। List provided a very general way to hold a collection of arbitrary R objects. And last one, a data frame is a cross between a matrix and a list. Columns of data frame can be different types, but they all must be the same length. A data frame is a cross between a matrix and list. Columns, variables of a data frame can be different types, but they all must be in same length. Lengthটা কিন্তু সবার ক্ষেত্রে সমান হতে হবে। R এর basic syntax type. What is the syntax of R? Before discussing syntax, first you install the R language in your system, and this is a easy procedure. And you go to the Google and search the installation procedure and install the R first. As a convention, we'll start learning R programming by writing a hello world. Okay. Depending on the needs, we can program either at R command prompt, or you can use an R script file to write your program. Let's check this. Here we only showing here the we have not showing here the script file, only command prompt. Okay, so first once we have our environment set up, then it's easy to start our R command prompt by just command at a command prompt R. Show this box R. This will launch our interpreter and we will get a prompt where we can start typing our program as follows: my string hello world. Print my string hello world. Here is the first statement defines a string variable my string, where we assign a string hello world, and then next statement print is being used to print the value stored in variable my string. Variables in R. Valid identifiers in R: total, sum, dot find, dot width, dot dot. This underscore is acceptable underscore number. Invalid, that is the invalid or tot at the rate 5 underscore find is the invalid. What is the base practice? Earlier version of R used underscore as an assignment operation. So the period dot was used extensively in variable names having multiple words. Current version of R support underscore as a valid identifier, but it is good practice to use period as word separators. Clear? Variables in R. Where এইগুলো অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি তোমাদেরকে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, এই জিনিসগুলো মানে জাস্ট মনে রাখার জন্য। ভ্যারিয়েবল নেমগুলো কি কি: ভ্যালিড, ইনভ্যালিড, ইনভ্যালিড, ভ্যালিড, ভ্যারিয়েবল নেম, has letters number reason এই ফিল্ডটা দেখো var underscore name to has letters number dot and underscore কি কি আছে ভ্যারিয়েবল নেম গুলোকে কি কি ভাবে আমি ডিফাইন করতে পারি var to underscore name percentage to var underscore percentage dot to var underscore name to understand dot is followed by a number of making it invalid. Okay. Underscore var underscore name starts with this. Variable assignment. The variables can be assigned value using left forward, right forward, and equal to the operators. The values can be variables and print or cat function. The cat function combines multiple items into continuous to print. So cat function is very necessary command in R. Assignment using equal operator, var 1, CF. Assignment using left for operator, var 2, learner. Okay. Assignment using operator, print করছি এইগুলোকে cat দিয়ে সব print হবে ওই output like this. This is the output. So this is the input আমরা লিখছি then print করছি আবার deleting variables. All the variables can be deleted by using rm and ls function together. Remove or ls, list ls. Okay, this type of this. See the box when execute above code, the produced result is character is 0. Clear? Okay, thank you.